So this is 28 spots, y'all.
For this.
You ain't too short for it. Your herbs are gonna come out. You're gonna come clip, cut, or completely harvest and move on.
I thought you was putting the last one on.
Negative.
We should have played lightsabers first.
It's time to get our gardening on. We finna get to building something very cool. But let's open her up. These are the lights for the tower garden. So let me open up the. I'll start with the box that you dumped out over here. All right, real quick, y'all.
Just let me see the directions though. That's the most important part. Tools needed, 9/16 inch wrench.
All right. There you go for that one. And while you're doing that, let me show the people what up.
Can I have the bag of screws? Thank you.
Bag of screws. All the rest of your wheels. We'll throw this over here. All right. Here we go. I need you to hurry up.
This little ranky-dink wrench.
There we go. Put your wheels on. We go right off the bat. When you open it up, you get these Rockwool grow pods, the Green Bronx machine bundle. All right, so it comes with quite a bit of extra stuff. We're looking to probably have about 4 of these out here because we not only want to feed ourselves, but we're gonna feed the family too, y'all. And then we're gonna trade off. Oh my God, it's gonna be so dope. All right. It comes hooked up pretty well. And throw that away. So this is the bottom or the top of the water reservoir, and then this is the bottom of all the cubes that'll go, or the, what are these called in there?
Those are called tower sections.
Tower sections. We got mineral blend A and B. And this is the extra because of this package. This is the pH plus, pH minus. So you do have to get the pH in the water right, which is super simple. I'll show y'all that. And this is what you just asked about.
I didn't.
That's the cage.
Oh.
Here's the pump. And then the timer, which all of the stuff is labeled. This is the pH test kit that's in there along with the lid, and I'll open it and show y'all in a minute. And then there are more net pods. Y'all, we have the garden tower flex, so it'll hold 20 gallons of water. So because right now we not up here 24/7, we can kind of set it and forget it. I think it'll go 3 to 4 weeks depending on where the plants are at the time before you need water. So let's see how fast we can get this thing on. So what's next? What does it say to do? Because I know this goes here, but we need to get that pump on first. And it's just about to go under there, y'all. And this just needs to be hand tightened. You could just let it sit down in there. It's really not gonna matter. Where's that cord at though? Yep. And we are going to install. Do you have wing nuts? So these go all the way up.
Yeah.
Where are we at? Here? No, A and A.
Thank you. Oh.
So it goes like this and like this. I have it in both A's. You see it? Mm-hmm. Which one you doing? The bottom or the top?
The bottom one.
Okay. Tight, solid. Yeah. All right. So y'all, on the bottom of here, there is a bunch of holes that lets the water through, but it also puts these through them so that it can secure it down. Not bad. A B and a. You can see how easy this is going, y'all. This ain't like rocket science. This
And
is
we got the extension kit too.
These are the extension pieces that we're putting on there, and we don't have to take off the wing nuts and all of that because we never put them on there. We are just finding the top of the threads where the other one left off at and putting those on. Put the washers, here you go. Two washers, two wing nuts. Did that one come through over there? Mm-hmm. Oh. And y'all, there's another extension that we are going to get, so we'll be able to show y'all.
Another one.
It's gonna sit pretty high. Yeah, we're gonna get, or maybe we'll get when we get our other one, because this is kind of high. So this is 28 spots, y'all.
For this.
You ain't too short for it. It's gonna be right here. Your herbs are gonna come out. You're gonna come clip, cut, or completely harvest and move on. Yeah, this is good.
It says we gotta put the port lid on.
That's this little guy. That little hole. Which is also where you fill it with water and everything else, y'all.
It's just so you can see in there.
That's it. Tower garden. Man, we appreciate y'all, man. I know y'all watching. We appreciate y'all and all the people y'all got on staff. Go check them out, y'all. Hey, before we put this cage on, should we put the lights on?
I don't know.
Let's put the lights on real quick. I made a judgment call, so let's do that.
Where's the directions for the lights?
Let me see.
Let's look at that first.
So they sent us the whole shebang, man. The whole shebang. So we got the LED lights. Just the light bar parts. Ooh.
Remove the lid. Insert the unit.
This looks good. I think this is gone. And we need the grow lights, y'all, because we are planning on growing inside the shipping container. So video coming soon.
It looks like a robot. Remove the main unit from its packaging. Insert the unit into the Tower Garden shower cap. Make sure the unit is inserted all the way into the shower cap to avoid leaks. Ensure cord is placed between grow pods.
But it ain't. Is it still between two cords?
Cords?
Cords.
Mm-hmm.
Ha!
2 pods.
Line that up, 2 pods. Black owl.
It'll be like straight down the middle of all the pods.
So we don't need this?
Yeah, I don't think so.
Okay. That's the original lid, y'all. If you don't have the grow lights. And then here. Let me take these lights out of here.
Lights. You're not supposed to take that off. Here, pull it down. And you see the little piece? You see that piece?
Yeah.
And you have to connect them.
Clippy clips. Get them clipped in.
Snappity snap. Whappity whap. Something just ain't right. Pow!
Okay. Here, go around there and clip that too.
There we go.
I told you it was better not to go ahead and do this part first.
Yeah, you was right.
Say it again.
You was so right.
Detect the hint of sarcasm.
I was saying the cords, this still slid down some more.
Oh, if you want to, is that what you want to do?
No, it doesn't matter.
I'm thinking you can even go up a little higher with that, but
You said go lower.
it don't matter. That's clean though, so that's a good look. I'm finna plug it in.
Plug it in.
No?
Plug it in.
Here we go. Plugging it into the power station.
I'm gonna turn it back
Okay.
because the thing is here for them to see the thing.
Okay. Everything is off too, like this is this way. And then that can come back a little bit this way. Yeah. Don't turn all
Well, I didn't try to.
It's the metal that you care about. Alright, let's turn it up. Let's plug it in. I mean,
You happy?
oh my goodness. Yes, indeed.
Feel like we're in a spaceship.
Wait a minute. I'm finna turn your
Heater off.
let me turn your heater off real quick. Those lights right now are running at 137. Oh, we got a little bit of sunlight coming in from the, but currently they're coming in at 137 watts. And just so I can make sure that those watts that are coming in ain't offsetting anything, I'm gonna unplug some of that solar. Yeah, y'all, 137 watts is clean from this power station. It's not giving you the difference. All right, so we're gonna put together this other piece before we talk about this stuff.
Locate two 5/16 holes drilled into the top of the reservoir cover.
That's on this side, and here are the pieces. All right, folks. Yo, this is excellent, y'all. And yes, it gets its roll around on its wheels, and it is sturdy. Like it don't even have water in the bottom of it yet. So as soon as it gets water and with plants, we'll be good to go. It is actually pretty sturdy, y'all. Like don't get it twisted. So check this out, y'all. These are the net pot, and you could see that there's a hinge or a ledge that doesn't go all the way around on there. And then the cubes will go in there once the plant has grown.
Sprouted.
Or sprouted. So these are just gonna go in there with a sprouted plant, and it's gonna be dope. But anyway, let's put these on real quick. Boom, it just pops in because the little ledge right there.
I'm just gonna stick them in there and then I'll pop them after. How about that?
Okay. That's so dope, y'all. And like we said earlier, you can see the wire runs behind this little guy. It comes with all of these nutrients down there that we kind of sort of talked about already. Last thing to do is the timer for it. There's like little gray dip switches around that, which is, I think she's about to read that and see the different times of day when it can turn on, turn off. Okay, that's pretty simple.
Okay, there we go.
Dope. Hey. All right, y'all. The base of it, the dolly, the cage, the lights, and the two extra pieces, those are all extensions to the main tower garden. Like we told y'all already in the video, we are going to just stay tuned because there's going to be some dope stuff to show y'all how we going to grow this thing. Hey man, it's cold, which is stupid in Texas. Deuces, Homestead Homies, T3 Tribe. We out, man.
We out.
Peace for real.
Peace.